There's a lot of unsaid stuff in my videos that I didn't think about till now. Like, I don't know, I always assume that people just know what the hell I'm talking about and stuff, you know? Like the eating dog and cat thing, you know? Um, yeah, you know, guess I should feel bad about it. I feel bad about it, you know? Like, I think about it, you know? Like, most people don't see themselves doing that. You know, me on the other hand, you know, I'm just thinking on survivability anyway alone. You know, if you starving and shit, you know, I don't think you should be able to have to go to jail to, you know, because you ate some cat or dog or some shit, you know. I'm just saying, you know, like people that say they haven't ate in 5 days, you know, it's like, why haven't you? There's plenty of food around. You know what I'm saying? Like survivability, you know. Then there's another thing, you know, like when the people that earn their stripes, you know, it was this kid or whatever, you know, a young adult, I guess. I don't know how old he was, right? You know, he gave me a gruesome scene of, you know, his friends passing away and stuff, you know. So yeah, that's what kept me away from the gangs. Was what he said, plus you know, telling me not to stay in college and stuff, you know. What else did I go into? You know, there's a balance between harming people and teaching them. You know, a lot of people learn the hard way. You know, that's just all there is to it. You know, so you know that's what I mean. Like, if you look at it from like the mostly everything I've talked about is mostly like to be able to thrive as a homeless person. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what everything everything points to. You know, it's just being able to thrive as a homeless person. I guess that's the only way I can explain how you can understand my point of view of being alone and you know all you got is yourself. And 'cause, that's where I'm heading, homelessness. You know, so yeah, that's all I keep bracing for is homelessness. I keep looking at all these things that keep saying that I can't do this or that or be uh, stuck on assistance or go to jail. Like if I'm homeless and I'm trying to, and I'm starving and shit, it shouldn't be no reason for me not to be able to eat a cat or dog. You know, that makes sense. It's the only animal you can get for free. Beggars can't be choosy. But why the law had to enforce something and imply that you need to go to a horrible condition place, where you can get beat up, stabbed, and, anything, sexually assaulted, and so many other damn things could happen. You get on drugs, start drinking, then you got solitary confinement, shit like that. More time in the place or trying to just survive in the place because they don't feed you enough. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. So that's always been in the back of my mind. I'm going homeless.